Diyan daw nilalagay yung mga prisoner dati nung unang panahon. Ayun.
2-1 at 12:45. Ecuador.
Spain. Lumabas kami ng Spain today. Morning guys. Today we are at the lounge. Hotel lounge. We're waiting for the taxi. Kasi we're going to Gibraltar. Ayun, sabi ni Mylas, marami daw baboon. So, pupunta kami doon, guys. Wala pa rin akong boses. Medyo paus pa rin. Kasi kahapon na maapos talaga ako dahil grabe yung ubo ko. And then, yun, natrangkaso kaming dalawa. So, yan. At the moment, we're waiting. And, yun. Kasi ang aming taxi is 7:30, guys. So, and then, it's still dark outside. Lumabas kami kanina kaso nga lang pumasok kami kasi medyo malamig. Ayan, kaya coat ako ngayon. So, ayan. Ikot ko muna kayo dito, guys. Habang nag-iintay kami. So, ito yung hotel lounge. Yan. So, yung way na yan. Going upstairs. Kaso nga lang hindi ako yun, tapos ito yung lounge. May little shop, may shop doon, guys. Ayan yung alihawk. So pupunta ako dyan before we go home kasi meron akong gustong bilhin. Ayan. Ayan. Maganda yung reception area nila, guys. Ay, wala talaga akong boses. So, ayun o. It's still dark outside. Ayan. Ayoko lumabas later. So, ayan guys. Keep on watching and more videos.
With the timetable. First, Rupture people, the M and the V on the sticker.
Dito na kami,
The
guys,
M and the V.
Gibraltar.
We got the Rupture at 1 o'clock, but we meet at 1:45 at 12:45. At 1:45 in our.
So, we're here na, guys, sa Gibraltar. Hindi ako wala akong boss. So, we're walking along the street now. Ayan, 3:15 pa naman yung balik namin sa coach. So, yan, gala-gala kami dito ni My Loves. Naghahanap kami ng makainan. So, ma-feel mo talaga yung atmosphere ng England din. Yun lang kakaiba kasi nga, malapit pa rin siya sa Spain. Yan. Thank you. So, although ito siya, next to Spain, lumabas kami ng Spain today. And then, pumunta kami dito. It's a part of United Kingdom as well. So, we are here, uptown at the moment. So, wala. Nag-explore kami today para masulit namin yung aming holiday. Tapos na kami kumain. So, nag-order lang ako ng light meal, yung vegetarian. And, yun, My Loves yung half portion of all the breakfast. Kasi marami siya, guys. So, sabi ko, finally, ko na rin na man ko na rin yung proper na Kasi doon sa Spain, pag umorder ng coffee, ang liit ng tasa, and then also mapait. So, umorder ako ng mocha. Lapit ko na siya maubos. Pasensya na kayo guys, paus talaga ako kahapon, wala talaga akong boses. Gibraltar. And yan, ito yung UK territory which is next to Spain. So, hindi ito namin alam, but I heard or we heard that, medyo pricey or medyo mahal ang mga bilihin dito. So, ayun guys, after namin breakfast. We're walking around again. Hindi ka, ayaw namin maglakad ng malayo, bak maiwan kami ng coach. Pero we have an all-day trip, which is wise naman. The problem is a long journey, which is about 2.5 hours, and then back there as well. So, yeah, it's charged of experience as well. We really enjoyed our holiday. Yun nga lang, the problem is, nagkaskip kami. Yun, grabe. Yung buti nga ngayon may hindi nakaskip. Bumili ako ng so yan guys, ang kabayanan nyo po ang more videos. Ayan, igala ko kayo dito sa Gibraltar, which is yan, English territory na siya. So sabi ko nga sa kayabi, na-feel ko na yung England. Sabi ko yun nga lang dry date kasi at the moment doon sa England is bumabagyo at umuulan. So ayan guys, yung welcome to Gibraltar. Yan yung map nila.
The territory in the Treaty of Utrecht.
Ganda doon sa taas guys. Ang behind that is a big rock. Diyan daw nilalagay yung mga prisoner dati nung unang panahon. Ayun, yung nandun sa taas, yung may mga hole. Yan. Laki ang taas ng rock.